Hi guys, welcome back to English classes with your favorite teacher, Teacher Lenin Castro. Today is Monday, June 7th, 2021, and what we are going to do today is that we are going to review how do we compare animals. As you remember, we did an activity long ago about comparing animals. We compared animals like if we were in the zoo. So you should remember the comparatives and superlatives. With comparatives, we add er to the adjective. Meanwhile, in the superlatives, we are the and est in the adjective. For example, we have with er, with comparative, when we are comparing only two things, we have tall becomes taller, fast becomes faster. A giraffe is taller than a lion. A cheetah is faster than a turtle. So, the superlative will be when we're comparing all the animals in the world, and if we say tall, it will be the tallest, fast, the fastest. So if we're talking about the giraffe is the tallest animal on earth. The cheetah is the fastest animal in the world, and so on. There are many rules, but you're going to learn it in the process. Of course, there are some adjectives that you don't only add er or est. The whole word change. For example, in good, in comparing only two things is better, and when we are comparing all the animals, it's the best. Bad, it's worse, and when we are comparing all the things, it's the worst. So let's make comparisons using the adjectives that the sentence gives us. So we have that is beautiful. A wolf is a hyena. When we have an adjective so long as beautiful, we use more beautiful than a hyena. So we add more beautiful than a hyena. Okay? When we have a long adjective. But here we have an elephant is a monkey, and we have big. So how would you do that sentence? An elephant is bigger than a monkey. Very good. A dolphin is clever. A turtle is cleverer than a turtle. A flamingo is colorful. An ostrich. How do you say this one? Colorful is a long adjective, so what would you do? More colorful than an ostrich. A seal is cute and alligator. What do we do here? Cuter than an alligator. Very good. Now let's compare all the whole animals. The zebra is animal in the world, and we have the adjective beautiful. Is the most beautiful animal in the world. The blue whale is big animal in the world. The biggest animal in the world. The fox is one of the cleverest animals in the world. And the polar bear lives in one of the coldest areas in the world. And lastly, the chameleon is, if we say that colorful is a long adjective, most colorful reptile in the world. So yeah, that was it. We're going to practice more and a lot tomorrow in the class. So this was a very good reminder, but I'm going to do the remind you again tomorrow. So thank you for watching the video. Have a very nice day and see you tomorrow. Goodbye.